The next pyrochemical process is roasting. Roasting is one pyrochemical process. This pyrochemical process conducted for especially converting metal sulfide into metal oxide. So for conducting this roasting process, we use reverberatory furnace. Let's see reverberatory furnace structure. So reverberatory furnace structure like this. So in this reverberatory furnace, three parts are there. One is firebox, second one is earth, third one is chimney. So in this firebox, we burn fuel. From that fuel, we produce heat. That heat is reached to ore. That ore we place it on the earth. So earth is useful to us to burn ore. Means ore is placed on the earth. So then heat supplied to the ore present on the earth. That some waste gases is released. That waste gases passes through this chimney into the atmosphere. This is the structure of reverberatory furnace. So for roasting process, metal sulfide converted to metal oxide. For that purpose, so ore particles are burned at a higher temperature in the presence of excess oxygen. The example for roasting process, galena 2 PbS plus 3 O2. So galena ore burn in the presence of excess oxygen, it becomes PbO, lead oxide, and sulfur dioxide enter into atmosphere. So zinc blende ZnS, that ZnS also react with oxygen, it becomes zincite, ZnO, and sulfur dioxide. Okay, roasting is nothing but it is a one pyrochemical process. This pyrochemical process conducted for conversion of metal sulfide ore into metal oxide ore. In this process, we burn ore particle at higher temperature in the presence of oxygen. Next pyrochemical process is calcination. This calcination process we especially used to convert metal carbonate ore into metal oxide ore. For conducting calcination pyrochemical process, we use reverberatory furnace. Same. In this reverberatory furnace, firebox, earth, chimney. But the difference is here, in roasting process, we burn ore in the presence of excess oxygen. Here, absence of air or absence of oxygen. So then what happened? This metal carbonate MgCO3, metal carbonate ore converted into metal oxide. Example, MgCO3 on heating, it splits into MgO plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide passes through the chimney and enter into atmosphere. Next, limestone, calcium carbonate. So on heating limestone, it becomes calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide enter into atmosphere. So simply, calcination is one pyrochemical process. In this pyrochemical process, metal carbonate converted into metal oxide. So for conducting this calcination process, we use reverberatory furnace. But in this process, we burn ore absence of oxygen, without oxygen. Okay, next important topic, flux. So flux is nothing but the chemical which is useful to us to remove gangue particles present along with the ore in especially smelting process. Simply the reaction, flux is react with gangue particles and forms one slag. That slag appear on the molten metal. Simply, if gangue particles are acidic in nature, non-metal oxide SiO2, then we need to add flux metal oxide, basic nature, acid plus base undergo neutralization reaction forms salt. That salt is calcium silicate. This calcium silicate appear as a slag. If gangue particles are basic in nature like FeO, metal oxide, iron oxide, then we need to add flux as a acidic nature like silica SiO2. This basic nature gangue and acidic nature flux combine together and forms FeSiO3, ferrous silicate. This ferrous silicate is appear on the molten metal as a slag. Slag is removed, waste gangue particles are removed outside from the pure metal. So flux is very useful to remove gangue particle. Gangue plus flux gives rise to slag. So flux is acidic, gangue is acidic, we need to add basic flux. If gangue is basic, we need to add acidic flux.